No, I was not out somewhere seeing Star Wars. Today, I was in here making a video. Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl, Lock Looney Tune, and I am back with another video. Now, I've been getting a lot of emails and comments under my video pertaining to insurance, right? So, I decided to make this whole entire video specifically about that. Whether your insurance will cover your breast reduction surgery. Now, the questions I was getting was, did my medical insurance cover my surgery? The answer is yes. My medical insurance covered my breast reduction surgery. They covered it in full. They covered the pre-op, they covered the surgery itself, and they covered the post-op. Now, I'm going to talk about how much they will cover in post-op, you know, after your surgery, a little bit later in this video. But first I want to talk about the pre-op process and what they cover in different insurance companies. Now, what I have is I have Medicaid. Now, for those of you guys who do not know what Medicaid is, I don't know, y'all might have been living under a rock somewhere, I don't know. There are some of you guys that may not know exactly what it is. But Medicaid is government assisted medical insurance. That's what it is. Basically, I get medical insurance. You know, I can go to the doctor, I can get prescriptions filled and everything like that. I can be seen. I have a primary care physician. In order to have them pay for my breast reduction surgery, there are a few hoops that you need to jump through. Trust and know this. And I'm not sure if if the situation is for every insurance company, and that's another situation though. When I talk to different people and they ask me about the insurance, everybody does not have the same insurance company. You know, some people actually pay for their insurance and they still, you know, they have insurance companies that will still not cover this surgery for whatever reasons. But you still have to jump through some hoops in order to get certain companies to pay for it. They will do it. Some companies will do it, but they're not just going to say, here's your surgery just because you want it. That is the situation with Medicaid that I know. And I'm just talking on personal experience. I'm not an insurance professional, anything like that. Just popping that disclaimer in there. But this is just my personal experience on what I have done and what situations that I had to go through. But yeah, I did have to do some tasks in order to get things done. Okay, so first thing I did when I went to my plastic surgeon for my consultation, they actually helped me along with my insurance. Once I got the referral from my primary care physician, which is what I had to do. I couldn't just go straight to the plastic surgeon's office. I had to go through certain parameters that I had to go through in order to get things done. First, I had to go see my primary care physician, tell them the reason why I wanted this surgery, and ask them for a referral to refer me. And what they did was ask me, did I have a particular plastic surgeon in mind? And I had researched, so yeah, I did. So they wrote me that referral. I then made the appointment with my plastic surgeon. I found out that this particular plastic surgeon accepted my particular insurance. They accepted Medicaid. So that was a plus. That was already a plus. And I had word of mouth and a friend that already had this plastic surgeon. So that was a plus. So I already knew that this was the guy that I wanted to do my surgery. Once that happened, I had had the whole consultation. That was done. I asked them what the next step was. They contacted my insurance company to find out, to present everything. Well, they didn't contact the insurance company yet. I had to go look for my history, my medical history, and I have a video called, I think it was Medical History Scavenger Hunt. I think I'm gonna pop it in somewhere over here. It'll tell you exactly all the things that I had to do to go, you know, look for different things that was pertaining to me, back, anything that was going on with me that could pertain to my surgery, things, medical issues that, you know, made it impossible for me to live you know, a fruitful life with the fact that my breast was so heavy. I did go on a search, and I went and found everything that I needed to find. I got those papers and copies of those records back to my plastic surgeon. Another thing we did, we took pictures. We took pictures of me, and all of these things they will end up sending to your insurance company. And that's the case. You building a case for yourself to let these people know, to let the insurance company know, hey, yo, I need this surgery, and I need it desperately. This is why I need this surgery. These are things that I had to go through, and I was so excited to get them done, you know. And I was always worried if they were going to approve me for the surgery or not. You know what I'm saying? And it worried me. And they found, you know, it happened pretty quickly. You know, my plastic surgeon, he worked pretty quickly. Like, he made sure that things, and I guess the reputation that my plastic surgeon had with this particular insurance company was a good reputation. So needless to say, I did get approved. It was a great feeling. But those are the things that you should definitely do. Try to get your history down pat. Try to get all the paperwork. Try to get everything, anything that has ever been wrong with you, as far as back pain, shoulder grooves, pictures. Get pictures of all of that. We took pictures of everything. Like, we took pictures of my breast. We took pictures of the grooves in my shoulders. We took pictures from behind and my back. We took pictures of everything, and try to get documentation on your body and other situations that's going on with you, on why having heavy breasts is really bad for you. And once you submit all those things, you can build a good case. You know, you can build a good case in your insurance company. I don't see any reason why they would not pay for the surgery. Me personally, like I said, I had 44H breasts. Now, on my, 5'8", 5'9" frame, something like that. And even though I was overweight, my plastic surgeon did not require me to lose weight. My insurance company didn't require that I lose weight before I had this surgery. AmeriHealth was really, really good with this. But like I said, every insurance company is not the same. They may not do it, and it all depends on what your particular situation is. It depends on what your insurance company is, and it depends on the relationship your plastic surgeon has with your insurance company, because sometimes they might not want to pay for it depending on the surgeon that you have. They might request that you go see a different surgeon. They might request that you have a second or third opinion, or whatever the case may be. You will have to put in the work. You know, sometimes it might not be a little bit of work. It might not be a lot of work, but you're going to have to put in some work to make sure that you get the surgery that you desperately need and want. Like I said, they covered the pre-op, they covered the surgery itself, they covered everything with the surgery, everything I had to go through during surgery. Now, post-op. Post-op is a different type of situation. After my surgery was May 6th. My referral lasted from May 6th, and it lasted six months. The first referral that I got lasted 6 months, and my consultation was April 6th. My surgery was May 6th, and then it was April, May, June, July, August, September, October. I had to get another referral from my primary care physician to go back and to have another appointment at my plastic surgeon. After your post-op, it depends. Like, I'm going back for another, I guess, 6 months to see my plastic surgeon, because I have a need to go back. Now, after that, I'm not sure what the situation is. I will have a conversation with my plastic surgeon about what, how much will my insurance pay for, or whether I even need to come back at all. You know, that's the whole situation. It's on an individual basis. Everybody's situation is not going to be the same. But like I said, I have Medicaid. Not everybody has Medicaid. And Medicaid did pay for it. And I believe that if you have the need and it is really a debilitating issue with you, that I don't see a reason why your Medicaid or your insurance or any other kind of insurance that you have wouldn't pay for this particular surgery. If you guys have any questions, comments, whatever, you know, you can always put them down below in the comment section, or you can email me. You can hit me up on Facebook, you can hit me up on Twitter, Instagram, all of that. Okay, guys? So with that being said, I'm gonna holler at you in the next video. Alright, peace.